In the Domain tab, which you can access by clicking on the tab or from the main menu and clicking Admin App. You can review and edit basic information about your domain here on the Details page, including your domain name, your user space, which is the prefix that you use in the URL. For example, mine would be nikkidemo.agilixbuzz.com. The external ID, the domain ID. If there's any metadata attached to your domain, it would show there. You can use the vertical bar to open and edit domain settings, import enrollments, import observers, move the domain, or set a password to create a password that grants access to all password-protected assessments in the domain. This password works in addition to each assessment's original password. It doesn't replace them. We'll go over domain settings in another video.